In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign members to a project in Hubstaff. If you're managing a team and want to make sure the right people are connected to the right projects, this is a simple process you can complete in just a few clicks. Assigning members properly helps with organization, time tracking, and making sure everyone has access to the work they need to do. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of your Hubstaff dashboard and click on Project Management. This is the area where you can view and manage your projects, including who is assigned to each one. Once you open it, you should see your list of projects along with different columns that show project details. Next, find the project you want to update. Under the member column for that project, click on the pencil icon. This edit icon is what allows you to make changes to the members assigned to that specific project. If you have a lot of projects listed, take a moment to double check that you're editing the correct one before moving forward. After clicking the pencil icon, Hubstaff will guide you through the rest of the process with on-screen prompts. Follow those prompts carefully to add the members you want assigned to the project. Depending on your workspace setup, you may be able to choose from existing team members and confirm the changes directly from that window. Just move through each prompt one step at a time until the assignment is complete. As you do this, it's a good idea to review the selections before confirming. That way, you can make sure the correct members are being added and avoid having to go back and edit the project again later. Once everything is confirmed, those members should now be connected to the project and ready to track time or collaborate based on your team's workflow. And that's it. As you can see, assigning members to a project in Hubstaff is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Open Project Management from the left side menu, click the pencil icon under the member column for the project you want to update, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup. Thanks for watching.